Hi, listeners. Welcome back to Kokachin channel. Learning English through stories. Now you're going to listen to an English short story. Then write in your comment. What is your suggestion the best title for the story? Let's start listening now. 53. Many years ago an English lady in Africa was invited by an important local chief to be the first person to use his new bath, the first one in that part of Africa. The lady went into the bathhouse, turned on the taps and got into the nice, warm water. But when she looked up, she was frightened to see an eye watching her through a hole. She got out, dressed and ran outside. She saw an old man and a donkey there. He was carrying a petrol tin of hot water in one hand, and one of cold water in the other, and in front of him were two funnels. "Why were you watching me in my bath?" the lady asked him angrily. The man answered politely, "I have to see which tap you turn on, madam, or I don't know whether to pour in hot or cold water."
Find out the best title for the story.
If you find it good and useful for you, please subscribe, give comment, and share this link to others. Thank you.